Hello beautiful, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to use your iPad and the app GoodNotes and how to download a digital book into that so that you can highlight and mark up and work right into your digital book in GoodNotes. So let's get right into this. You're going to go to the place where you have access to your PDF. So for me, I'm on my website. I'm going to go to the Matthew Bible Study course. Now, if you're watching this and you're not using this GoodNotes for Bible study, that's okay. You're still totally going to learn, so stay tuned. But I'm going to go here to my Matthew Interleaved Journaling Bible. Let's see. Nope, I want to go to the workbook. Okay, and I'm going to click on this workbook. It's going to open it up on my iPad. I'm going to go up to the upper right corner to the square with the arrow. And I'm going to save this file to my iCloud drive. Now, I'm going to close this out. I'm going to open GoodNotes. And you can see that I already have it downloaded. However, I want to show you exactly how to do this. So I'm going to download it again. In GoodNotes, you're going to click this little box over on the left that says New. You're going to go to Import down at the bottom. And you're going to find your file. So here's my file. I'm going to click that, and it is going to download it for me. It's going to automatically open it up, and that is how you will get your digital book into your GoodNotes so you can write directly in it. So watch for the next video, and I will show you the next part of this series. I will see you soon.